place when you want a good time. Just for fun and the place when it's up on your mind. Just for fun and we don't want to see it done. Just for fun, laugh till the drop done. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.
It cannot work.
I talk about Mr. Leng. Carrat the hottest thing right now. Heavy. Oh, you go like you don't know what time it is, bro. Come like say never pre Mr. Leng, say me a the man for the girl, them ears and them eyes. I come like him up on things.
Yes, at the time, last 2-3 years.
2 years. I run things longer than that, bro. I'm not go at the time. At right through. Mr. Leng, yeah, say it can't work.
No.
But alright. Book me on the billing. And I guarantee you say 80% of the crowd are gonna be woman. And then not come for fling no buckle neither. Them just a come feed trilling. All Carrat want a 2 hour. I'ma show them look guys who face a call them have 2 tune. Them a run things. Oh, for real do this. So me I say, bro.
This is not a show that you should come and you want to do 1 hour and 2 hours. No, you're not going to pull the crowd.
Suit yourself. You know how I make history, Mr. Leng.
I'm saying to you now, Carrat, Sting was not built up like this. The show is called Sting. It's just come, sting them, leave them. That's the concept.
Mr. Leng, me say when they happen in an interview, say, it's hard for you find 2, 3, 4 artists who can pack Sting.
Can't find it.
Yo, bro. Heavy, where I deal with father. You remember day one Virgin Arms House. Give up in position as my manager. Cause you say you can do a better job. You can't just sit down, so bro. You have to talk up for my career, what I go on. Show Mr. Leng say me thing a scotch, bro. Me dep on fire. Me thing a Sting. You done send enough artists to try lick you with 4 or 5 million. But Carrat not try kill nobody. All me I say is 250,000 and a RDQ6 in a Gideon. Hey, yo, Heavy, you hear me? Come like say me I forgot release you, bro. Suppose I make Mr. Leng know some word more than that. Me thing up, bro. What kind of management this? Here what? Mr. Leng, as a you, me gonna have to freeze for the $250,000 scene. But me give you some wiggle room between a Q4 or the Q6 scene. And I best that me can do. I can't budge no further than that. Heavy, you see, 20 odd years you deal with show and management thing. So what? Give the people what them want. Make it happen. Do your management thing. And I say 2022, December 26, Carrat I got shell down Sting. Yo, I feel like I go up now my suite, go lay down a little bit still, you know. So if I go left out, can I make sure so the account good at the front desk, cause it could be supposed to come check me later. And me and she good at all that 2 lobster. So I say, Heavy, we good?
Every time Sting comes around, whoever is at the time, always give trouble.
Yo, cameraman, zoom in, come on, them see my face, good. As a matter of fact, let me get up. You have some little guys out there who feel say what? Them have 2 tune I get play here and there. I don't know why I feel like say what. Oh no, not me. Cameraman, make sure I'm fully zoom in, you know. Come on, the whole of them get a good look on them worst nightmare. Carrat juice. See, as soon as every day I Mr. Leng sort out my thing, and me touch Sting, you say anyone I don't know, me not care who, Joshy, Skeng, Silk Bass, Skillibeng, you know, any other I don't want come, one by one or all together. All me I tell you says, the same time Carrat touch the stage, bro. Anyone I don't feel like say on a froggy, but just want to say on a up out. I'm a done talk.
Will Carrat be booked for Sting? Will Isaiah Leng and Heavy D yield to his demands? And if so, which artist will accept his challenge? The best way to find out, I would suggest, is not to be square and be there this December 26th at Plantation Cove in Ocho Rios, St. Anne's. Sting!